Today's top news headlines. Chief Minister busy campaigning for Manipur polls. Top NPF leaders campaign in Naga-dominated areas. And RBIA stands for Underprivileged Youths, says Ramdas. A very good evening and welcome to Pony Television English News at 7 p.m. I'm loving RIMAI. Now let's get to the news in detail. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh is busy with election campaigns. Amid hectic political campaign, he visited Jirbam district to woo voters in favor of party nominee N. Budhachandra. There he attended a flag-hoisting event. He also addressed a public meeting and promised to make Jirbam an incomparable district. Jirbam borders Assam. Chief Minister N. Biren called for maintaining unity and said BJP needs a representative from Jirbam. The BJP has promised to improve the life of the people in far-flung areas and remove poverty and difficulties, he said. He said Jirbam will be made a model district of Manipur. Chief Minister said amount has been sanctioned for development of JT Road and that the work will be starting soon. Rajya Sabha MP from Manipur, Leshemba Sanajoba, Assam Minister Ashok Singhal, Vice President of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, K. Sarat Kumar Singh, among others, attended the event. Polls to the 60-member Manipur Legislative Assembly will take place on February 28 and March 5 in two phases.
भारत माता की नरेंद्र मोदी जी ना नरेंद्र मोदी जी ना नरेंद्र मोदी जी ना बुद्ध जी ना बुद्ध जी ना बुद्ध कहाँ ना सिको थैंक यू जय हिंद जीरी जी तंगाई फदन कोई मॉडल डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोई नशे पर तभी यारो यहाँ बनी मशीन मॉडल डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोई ना मधुकी मॉडल डिस्ट्रिक्ट अमुक वहन में सेमकन होना में मतमदा सरकार दा अमुक सपोर्ट तोई अमुक तो ए हाई अमुक चेल हाई तो बुदु नत्तबा बुदुगुम्बा मा बीजेपी के सेंगबा एमएलए मा पिरो हाई बा हाने की तो आहान बदा अमुक यावी हाईगुम तवी यदि मरक थोक अमुक थोक हाईगुम तवी लई हाईगुम तवी चटली हाईगुम तवी भागन ताता देवा हाने दो अदुना लेमुई दबा नसा की फिरेक चुम्बा भारतीय जनता पार्टी की इंडियन मयाम से सैक्रिफाइस मार्जिन वांग कहनबिरो.
Top leadership of the Naga People's Front (NPF) along with Nagaland Chief Minister and NDPP leader Nifi Rio are in Manipur's Senapati district for campaigning for the upcoming assembly elections in the state. Nagaland Chief Minister Nifi Rio is campaigning for the candidates of the NPF party in the Naga-dominated areas in Manipur. The NPF has fielded candidates in 10 assembly constituencies reserved for scheduled tribes (ST) in the 3 districts of Ukhrul, Senapati and Chandel. Top NPF leaders including former Chief Minister T.R. Ziliang and Party General Secretary Achumbemo Kikon are also present in the election event. Langu Polriang and Anal Chandel, Dangsawa Korungthang, Maring, Tengnopal, Leishio Kaishing, Pungyer, Ramwiva, Ukhrul, Kushim Vashum, Chingai, Kaho Sileantani, Karong, Losi Diko, Mao, M. Francis Ngachokpa, Tadubi, Awangbo Numai, Tamay, and Kangtuan Nang Panmay, Tamenglong. A flag-hoisting ceremony was held for Republican Party of India Athawale or RPIA candidate Maheshwar Thonojam from Kaishamthong constituency. Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment Ramdas Bandhu Athawale and party's Northeast Observer Binod Nicole J. were present at the event at Maheshwar's residence in Kaishampad. Maheshwar Thanojam sought vote from the people of Kaishamthong constituency to emerge victory in Manipur polls. If elected, he said there will be no campaigning next time as the voters will see the development works he will do for the constituency.
aduna tasengna aingon punguna pangkat hen pibire amtang mai paksake handak tasengna haidagadi vote ka ba mi mana vote ka ba mi mana matang vote la kada vote ko mai taka sunu lekte thabang ta ka dabani aduna Kaishamthong kendri praja amusu Manipur ki praja da ai kurumjari haijari madudi amtang mai pa andiyo ma amtang ba bibiyo handak mai pa aba matang vote ko mai taka sunu lekte thabang taksare ke tu mayam pen du mayam wei Kaishamthong kendri plus Manipur ke development pa mayam se na hamu ni represent raga amtang manjin thana da chen yang chen raga ko kam nei pa Manipur se mamang thana ba
Union Minister Ramdas B. Athawale expressed hope that Maheshwar Thanojam will become a minister if he wins the Kaishamthong seat. He said RPIA is a party which stands for the underprivileged and youth. He sought public support for Maheshwar Thanojam in the state polls and said Maheshwar is a very powerful young leader who thinks for the welfare and development of the people. He can bring a change in the constituency, Ramdas added.
Republican Party of India is also supporting to all, general category, OBC category, SC category, ST category, minority category, women category, girl category, youth category, old category. Republican Party is also supporting all, because Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was the leader of Republican Party of India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar has given the very strong constitution to India. और बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर जी ने इतना बड़ा संविधान दे दिया है। ये संविधान से भारत मजबूत हो रहा है, मणिपुर मजबूत हो रहा है। माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी मणिपुर के लिए, नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लिए उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा पैकेज दे दिया है। हमने रिपब्लिकन पार्टी ने ये एक दो सीट हमने मांगी थी, लेकिन बीजेपी ने हमको सीट नहीं दिया।
A combined team of Moray Police Commando and 43 Assam Rifles arrested one KYKL cutter in a joint operation conducted as preventive measures taken up in connection with the upcoming State Assembly election on Wednesday. The arrested is identified as self-styled Corporal Sagolshem Ingobi, alias Nongtang, aged 34 years. He joined the outfit in the month of March 2004 and presently holding the rank of corporal in the same outfit, a police report said. A booth-level flag hoisting ceremony cum special prayer meeting was held in support of BJP candidates from Nungbak Assembly constituency, Dinganglung alias Dipu Gangmei on Wednesday. The event was held at Lamdangmei, Bityang, Shangji and Tangal villages under Nungbak under Nonei district. Members of 17 households from different political parties also joined the BJP during the program. M. Daniel, President of Tamenglong District BJP, Adim Pamei, former Vice President of BJP, former Minister Jangamlung Panmei, BJP Numba Mandal President Makupun Rongmei, Manipur BJP ST Morcha Secretary Ningthodai Gonmei and many senior politicians and village elders attended the meeting. Speaking at the occasion, Dipu Gangmei stated that he joined the electoral politics to bring changes which have failed to take place in the past 4 decades of Congress government in the state, particularly in Nungbak constituency. Dipu pledged if elected, he will continue the good work done by MLA Gai Khangam. Tamenglong District BJP President M. Daniel maintained that Dipu Gangmei has been working hard to overcome many challenges and allegations from various angles. He also thanked the BJP workers and religious leaders for their constant support. Former Manipur BJP Vice President Adim Pamei asserted that Dipu Gangmei was awarded the party ticket in the hope to fulfill the party's goal. Congress party must be uprooted from Nungba constituency to make a prosperous constituency under the double-engine BJP-led government in Manipur, continued Adim Pame.
Kita fashion ni sindo, ay thamo jasu tham thamde, ay loi na ay hasil welcome to the harvest haini me. Ay na lagi ko le jasu, ay na body language thangde, tone le thangde wangang sananda. Ay na slow ko le jasu, kokyo ay na ni na masu hasil ni, anu ba ako'y tiket sit ko ni nabasing su, ay asoy ko mayam do, mapiyo ay na si.
A flag hoisting ceremony was held for Congress candidate Nunglepam Mahananda from Uripok constituency on Wednesday. The ceremony was followed by a day-long political conference. Nunglepam Mahananda expressed hope that he will win the Uripok seat in the ensuing Manipur polls. He called on the Uripok residents to exercise the franchise to choose the right candidate in the scheduled polls. He said Uripok residents are well educated and can recognize what is right and wrong. Congress Legislature Party CLP leader and former Manipur Chief Minister Okram Ibobi was also present during the election meeting. He sought support for Congress and its candidate Mahananda in the polls. Ibobi launched a scathing attack at the ruling BJP and said that the party has been misleading the people of Manipur with false promises and wrong propaganda since the Saffron Party came to power in the state.
I Rajniti Pudonsa Lauraga Natragana what Panganagani and high headed was like the Hanko Hinadi. A shame of faith to me, BJP the Hangi question never. One of Manipuri Praja Singh said, we go constituency the lady of Praja Singh, they should come on my wife. I had a From the Moivani, Moikutara, Raptam, Raptamigo of the being of the Mayam, I say. There should have to be understand. Moina at the Pahai Hajalaga, Yagani, Haina, Uripo, Uga, Fianaga, Pari Saka, Sahi Bangasi, Akoy, Sangi, Tauri, Kari Uripo, Kari Tauri, Hajan,
Nepal shore the lane Urupok Kendra Mini Manipur Habitare, Mrs. Chingshu, Tamshu, Labor Jagari, Chingishu, Metashu, Luinamak, Labor Jaga, Amuiba, Amadi, Jagashida, Loktak Pat, Umnava, Wegi, Pai Fugi, Mamang the Layer of a Dumping Pat, and Bahabishe, Ahan Bagi, Pandani. Lampit Patsik and Batargadi, Away Suhorashida, Ishindi, Awab Kayama Prajashina, Hingari Vicha, Patsik and Mamatamda, Akoina, when you be water harvesting Totana, treatment plant Hapaga, Akoyi, Madu Ishingu, Prajashinda, Yohunman Green Habitat, Hajava Kayam Sutami, one of the machine lake a share, Mashi. Akoina water reservoir Amagaloina, tourism sport, Haidana, looked up part of Chetravishu, Lampen Pata Laaga, tourism sport ama, Sagapagishu, Yamasawa,
A postal ballot papers release program for senior citizens over 80 years old, disabled persons and absentee voters began at Imphal East DC complex by the District Election Office. Speaking at the event, Manipur Chief Election Officer Rajesh Agarwal said only women polling personnel will visit the houses of those people who have submitted applications so that they can cast their vote in Manipur polls. He hoped such steps will encourage women empowerment and that a maximum number of women voters will turn out on the polling day. At the event, Imphal East District Election Officer K.H. Daina said a total of 1,524 people submitted applications for Imphal East and that the district administration will make sure that all the absentee voters of the district cast their vote.
To Imphal East administration also for taking this initiative. Thank you. Thank you.
80 plus chahi marfu dagi helaba amasung PWD voters singi damakta postal ballot opt tawzarakpase aro singda 1524 punna opt tawbiraki ngasi akoina dispersal tawkhriba si polling postal ballot team ni tara truk ni makoi tara team tara truk asina akoi yum da chatlaga ngasai gi postal ballot opt tawbikhiba voters singi yum da chatlaga akoi gi vote asi thada hangadori bani aki Impal East yamna nungai ba manna akoi gi postal ballot team sing asi nupi ngata oi including videographer amasung observer team amamda mi marina keno polling team sai hadi polling officer ani ama videographer ama adega micro observer ama hariba team member khuding mak nupi ngatani duga hojiki sigi exercise asi ngasi tang tara taruk tagi hauraga akoina pandam thamiba si tang kun manga phawdadi completely loina bagi exercise aduni.
Let's take a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Karigumba dom yumda laiba anaba singi hidak kappa dressing tauba blood sample loba rice tube hapa catheterization hapa enema tawinaba experience lairaba nurse amati doctor thibada awaba thengnabirabadi wabiraganu Medline Home Nursing Care Service Manipurna kunkunmari chukna adom yumda latuna hidak kappa injection piba dressing tauba feeding tube hapa catheter hapa amadi makhal kya ke anaba sing experience lairaba doctor amadi nursing tuna mating pangzari akuba marol gi damak Medline gi helpline number 9205987988 amukasu 9205987988 ta call tawna tanabiu natraga Google Play Store gi Medline app download tawna booking tawi.
Welcome back after the break. Money earned from illegal coal mining is being used to fund insurgency in Meghalaya. This was alleged by former Meghalaya Chief Minister and Trinamool Congress TMC leader Mukul Sangma. Mukul Sangma alleged that money from illegal coal mining is being used to fund for creation of new militant outfits in Meghalaya. A particular group of people with vested interests are trying to float new militant outfits in Meghalaya by using money acquired through illegal coal mining, said Mukul Sangma. Mukul Sangma claimed that he has videos that establishes claims that illegal coal mining is rampant in Meghalaya. He alleged that the menace of illegal coal mining is prevalent in Meghalaya because of state government's insincerity on the matter. Mukul Sangma said that the government has been maintaining a stance of deliberate denial on the matter of illegal coal mining. A case has been registered by the Telangana police against Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. The case has been registered by the police based on a complaint filed by Telangana Congress President Revant Reddy. The case has been registered against Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma under sections 504 and 5052 of the Indian Penal Code IPC. A team of Telangana Congress led by State Unit Chief Revant Reddy lodged a complaint on February 14 at the Jubilee Hills Police Station in Hyderabad against Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma for his derogatory comments on AICC President Sonia Gandhi. A case has been registered against Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma under sections 504 and 5052 of the Indian Penal Code in Hyderabad following the complaint filed by Telangana Congress President and MP A. Revant Reddy for his recent father-son remarks against Rahul Gandhi, Telangana police said. Telangana Congress Chief Revant Reddy had said Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma's comment is not against the Gandhi family or Congress, but it is an insult to motherhood. During an election rally in Uttarakhand on Friday, Sarma targeted Rahul Gandhi, asking for proof of he being a son of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. Before we wrap up with today's bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Chief Minister busy campaigning for Manipur polls. Top NPF leaders campaign in Naga-dominated areas. And RPIA stands for Underprivileged Youth, says Ramdas. With that, we've come to the end of today's English Bulletin at 7 p.m. Stay tuned to Pony Television for more updates.